Now it's time to think about fluency with comparing and ordering. Now, when we think about fluency, we are going to ask students to be able to compare links easily, to order links easily, and also to describe how measurements relate to the size of the unit. Let's look at a few different activities that you might consider using as you build fluency with comparing and ordering. So one of the things you might want to have students do is to measure with non-standard units. You could set up different stations or centers and have different objects at each, and then students can measure an object with that non-standard unit. Then students could partner up and measure and record, and then have a class discussion about how they use these non-standard units to measure the same thing. Another thing that you could do is ask students to reflect upon this standard. Here's this first grade standard about ordering 3 objects. Maybe I give them 3 objects and then think about, well, ordering them from here, longest to shortest. And then one thing that would be really great to help students understand their ordering as well as emphasize math vocabulary is to have students write about their ordering relationship. So for example, they could write the green pencil is longer than the blue pencil, and the red pencil is shorter than the blue pencil. There are other things that they could write here, but that's a pretty good example in terms of ordering of those pencils. Now remember, fluency is just ease and accuracy. So I'd like you to push pause and think about what are some of the fluency activities you might use to help students with their comparing and ordering. And are there any of the previous activities that you've seen in this module that you might try implementing in your classroom?